Yeah, let's start now with real content for today's module, which is the customer order, right? If you remember the general CRM sales flow, we're normally going to this guide that you can find anything. Now we're basically here. We have the account, Agrosem, we have created the opportunity, we have created one or several quotes, and we have one, right? Then we move into the customer order. The customer order is the place where the administrative people are controlling what happened with one quotes, right? That would be the same that today in your daily job, you are receiving some contracts signed, and some person should review the contracts and see, okay, I need to order this machine, or all I need to do is just deliver this other machine which is in my stock, right? Or activate the power guard, or activate the finance contracts, or any other thing. Am I right or am I wrong? Good. The good news from this side is that we have one section to control those one quotes in CRM, right? And I'm going to do one example with the one Andrei has just won some minutes ago, right? Good. Let's please share your screen again, Andrei.
Should I or Yuri can?
Yeah, please.
Yuri.
Or Yuri, maybe whoever, it doesn't matter. Good. So, perfect. The place where you can find those one quotes, let's call it that way, but not delivered yet, is on the left-hand side. Scroll down, 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 down. Yuri, on the left. Yep. There must be, yeah, customer orders. Up, that one. Good. Yeah. By default, you have my customer orders. We must change that view. Click again on my customer orders, my CO. The big letters, yeah. And change to active. To all customer orders. All customer orders.
All.
Yep. Yeah. Tick it. Now we see 3. Oh, you have one or some other quotes. Which is good. Perfect.
Yeah.
So we can save that view as the default view. Again, click on all CO, and down, 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 set as default view. Down, 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 set as default view. So next time you access to customer orders, this will be your view. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, if you go to the right, you see status active.
Active. Yep.
Yeah. Can you click on status, please? Filter by. The drop down. Click on the drop down menu. Not equals. The next one. No, equals is fine. Yeah. So I'm going to show you which are the 5 options displayed there. Good. And which they mean. In reality, in our John Deere world, we just have 3, because invoiced and submitted are not applicable. They are fields coming from Microsoft that we cannot remove. In the reality, for us, for John Deere, we have active. Active means that we still have not finished them. We have cancelled. It means that for any reason, the deal was broken, or maybe the customer wants to do any modification, so we must move back to the quote. And the last one, fulfilled, it means that you have finished. So whenever you receive the machine, you talk to the customer, you agree with him that next Friday we are delivering the machine, then that Friday you send the machines, and here you press the button, and all the thing is over. Okay.
Okay.
So active, cancelled, and fulfilled.
And fulfilled.
Yeah. Active means these are the still ones that we need to modify. Good. Let's start with the first one. S7, blah, 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 blah. Click on the blue. Yep. This is how the customer orders look like. In the first page, The main thing we need to do is, and this is a question to you guys, who is today ordering the machines? You?
Yep.
Okay. Is there any administrative person doing that job, or you do that? Control the deliveries, organize the, or communicate the sales in DCP, communicate with parts department or service department to prepare the machine.
Yeah, all these things do the PLM in Agrosem.
Yourself, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So good.
One comment. We
Yep.
have also like foreign economy activity manager, who is she's managing all process.
Just
Okay.
the payment.
Okay. Okay, no problem. If that person would have role 6, he could have the visibility on this, or you can maybe share or export information from here. It's up to you. We can discuss a little bit later when you will finally understand the process. Good. Then first, the first thing I would recommend you to do is to click on work on the ribbon. That will assign you the responsibility of this specific customer order to you, Yuri. Click on work on, please.
Work on.
That is almost there. Up, up, up. Right.
Work on.
Right.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. By clicking there, you see how now the responsible salesman admin has been fulfilled. Yuri Sarayev. Right. On the right. You see that? The blue. Yeah. Of course, you can always take yourself out and add another person. But normally, this would be my first recommendation. If you're going to work on this customer order, you add yourself so everybody knows that you are the ones which is working with this specific customer order, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Good.
Work
Then
on.
we are on the summary tab. Let's see which are the boxes there in the summary tab. First, the name. You can always modify the name if you need it or keep it, up to you. Then we can see the account. You can access from there to that account. Click there, please, Agrosem. This is bringing you to the account. But if you need to go back to the customer order, click on the arrow back, up, 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 and this is bringing you back to the customer order, right? So in the system, you have many hyperlinks to bring you here or there and be moved back and anything. Okay.
Okay.
Good. What else do we have? Scroll down, down, down. Yeah. LOC, latest modification date. Can you read that on the left-hand side? Yeah. It means that you still have not collected the letter of consent of those customers.
Mm-hmm.
You can send from the top ribbon LOC button with the pencil icon at the top on the ribbon. Yeah. Click there. You can, as an admin, if you still have not obtained the confirmation from the customer, the letter of consent, you can send it from here to finally get it before you deliver the machine. If you would click sign now, you could be in front of a customer with a cell phone and launch this LOC process from the cell phone and pass the device to the customer, and he can sign in your cell phone and you get it. If not, if you're from the office, you can click on sign by email. This is sending a DocuSign email to the customer. So he accepts, and then you get it, and if you scroll down, 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 you will see this LOC latest modification date fulfilled by the 11th of July, whenever he signed it.
Mm-hmm.
But the first thing I see is that there's no email here. So that will not work.
Yeah.
You see, the email is blank. So you should open the contact and add the email address.
Okay.
But yeah, this is a little bit more advanced, let's say. You should go to the contacts. Yep, and the contact, open that and add the account. You can test it if you want to add your own email.
Email.
At the bottom. There we go. You can add your own email.
May I use my work email?
Yeah. Use it. And you will see how it looks like. Perfect. Then move up, up, up. The details. Yeah. Preferred language is Ukrainian. I don't know if the DocuSign will be available in Ukrainian. I guess so. Last thing is email. switch from do not allow to allow in the middle of the screen. The middle of the screen, a little bit down, that one. Switch to yes, save. Now you're able to send the LOC to that person. Go using the arrow back is bringing to the account. One more time is bringing to the custom order. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And then you should be able now to send the LOC. Click there, send by email. So in a few seconds, you will receive a DocuSign letter saying, do you agree with this and this and this and that? You say yes, yes, tick the boxes, get the signature and sign it. Okay.
Okay.
Good. What else do we have? Up. Requested delivery date in the middle of the box. Nope, a little bit down.
Best delivery date.
Yeah.
Yep.
This was the original requested delivery date added by you or by your salesman. Maybe you can fine tune. Maybe if you know that the machine is there, that's fine. That could be the 12th of July of 2025. But if this is a new order, you know that new orders will appear in September, maybe.
So
You can change or keep it. It's up to you. It's an example.
I will be change.
Okay.
September. 1st of September.
Yes. And maybe organize the scheduled delivery date with the customer to the same date for the 1st of September 2026. Based on that date you are adding here, that could not be the same. No, it should be the same year, right? Yep.
Okay.
No, same year.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. Exactly. Based on this scheduled delivery date, the last one you included, if you click on the follow up, top bubble, right, follow up.
Follow up.
Yep. If you save, you will see how they're automatically
Save.
Yeah, just save. You will see how the follow up should be fulfilled. And when you will be completing, click on follow up, please. Right. Yeah. 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months. This is creating those tasks to your salesman when you will finally complete the order. Okay? You did? Good. We still haven't done anything. We just add the main basic information for the customer order. A little bit down on the next box, sales information, you have in the middle of the screen opportunity and quote. You can from there access to the opportunity or access to the quote if you need to review anything. The public comments were the ones, next one, were the ones added by the person who created the quote, visible to the customer. All right, these are the public comments. Good.
Visible for the customer, this public.
These are visible for the customer because these are printed in the quote document to the customer. Maybe you both agree with the customer that I'm going to give you a gift, I don't know, a pin or a cup or any other thing by buying for us, or an invitation for a fair, or I don't know, any other thing you want to add as a free text in a quote. It's visible in the public comments and printed in the quote document. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Up, right. Then timeline. That's the place where you can create activities, tasks, appointments, but just park it by the moment. Scrolling down, you have there quote attachments. If during the quote creation you were attaching any document from the customer, I don't know, the passport or any other thing you needed, that could be visible here as well for the person who is producing or preparing the delivery. Okay. Yeah, this is general things from the summary tab. Let's go to the second tab, internal comments. There is a place where is again reflecting information created in the quote. There were internal comments as well in the quote. So here is easy for you as well to review if the person who created the quote adds something about financial, something about aftermarket. Scroll down, please. Add something about parts or precision ag. or rental. Any detail could be added in the quote, just visible for you, internal comments, not to the customer, but again, can be viewed as well by you here in the customer order place. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Next step, product line items, the third tab. This is the place where we see what did you add in the quote. Do you remember the quote created before by Andre was adding the combine, was adding the header and a writing, a manual, the trailer, right?
Yeah.
Good. Questions, comments?
A lot of. May I ask about internal comments?
Yeah, sure.
It's maybe a message for other team what we need add after delivery in our base. For example, the pneumatic trailer, brake.
Yep, exactly.
Yep. Navigation.
Exactly. That's a good place. Exactly. From the quote, the salesman can enter this information for the reference of the person who is coordinating the delivery. JD points, reference numbers, or anything you want. It's fully free text entry.
Uh-huh.
All right.
It will be inside in our team.
Yeah. So just for you, customers cannot see that printed in the quote. Yeah. And you can check that in 5 months and see what was discussed, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Then now it's time to see the product line items. Good. So from what I see here, it's important to read the columns. The first one, line item type. For the first one is a writing, totally manual. For the second and the third, you read their GPC or bill and price. It is saying to me that this is a configuration. There's still no real machine. We have just sold a configuration, not a stock machine, right?
Yeah.
Good. So what would you do normally? Which should be the next logical step?
To order this machine.
Yeah, exactly. So as we still have not ordered it and we have not added anything from our stock, if you would move to the next tab, equipment, you see how this is empty, equipment. We don't have that equipment yet. We have not created, we have not ordered, and we didn't get it from the stock. That's why this is empty. This is the next step. From product line items, create the associated equipment. Good. So let's go first. Product line items, please. One by one. The most important thing to see here, if this is order or not order, or on stock or not in stock, there is one column on the right that says sort. Sort, if you extend the size of that column, it says sourced. Means, is it ordered yet or not ordered yet? We must, by doing the process I'm going to explain you in a minute, moving them to yes, yes, yes. So I'm fine, at least from the ordering side, right? Good. For the first thing, for the writing is super easy. You just need to tick it on the left, the circle on the left. For writings, tick it, and then up, source and source button. Up on the main menu, right? There we go. Simply by pressing that is switching to yes. Imagine that you have the trailer there. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
We changed the status manually. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
For John Deere machines, it's a little bit more complete. Let's say in that way. For instance, for this FA30, for the header, again, tick it. But now instead of this source and source, we are going to use another thing. Don't press that.
Okay.
And you should, don't do that now, but you should press order to JD.
This one.
Exactly. So from here, you're being taken, well, you can do that, please. From here, you're being taken to bill and price. To this configuration sold by Andre before. Good. So which would be your normal ordering process, Yuri? How would you order from here? Yep.
Just
click there.
go to
and don't do
GD
that,
Mint.
yeah, don't do that, or you will do an order, right?
Yeah.
So basically you're sending to Mint.
Yeah.
That's fine. And I would get the Comar number.
Yeah. From the
So you
GD
go
Mint
back
system.
to CRM, and in CRM, in the equipments, you will see how there is a new equipment created. Oops. Well, we didn't complete the process. That's the reason why it's not fulfilled yet. But it would be as simple as, sorry?
We will see the comma or the.
You will see a new
right
line
here.
here with a header. So it would be as simple as pasting on this manufacturer order number, the column in the middle, pasting the comma number, and then you are creating the linkage between Mint and CRM. Okay, and the same for the second one. So go back to product line items, please. From here, click on the circle on the left.
F8
for the third. And ticket, please. For the last one. Just for one, yep. And then do that again. Order to JD. This is bringing you to build and price.
Order to JD.
Yep. This is again bringing you to build and price. You confirm the product or the prices or blah, 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 just in case you need it. And the last thing is send to, once you finish, don't do that, but you would send it to Mint. Don't do that, please.
No, okay, I understand.
If you would do that, the JD Mint is creating an order and you're creating the record in CRM. So you copy the command number and then go back, please, to CRM and paste it in the new equipment line you have created in equipments. Exactly.
Equipments and
that should be another line appearing here, and that should be all. Okay.
Order status, order number.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
And I need copy paste, or it will
copy
be
paste. It's copy paste. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
And then find on the JD Mint and take the link. Okay.
Yeah. You should get the serial number. Thanks to this serial number, you should have as well the warranty values. So many benefits from doing that, right? Good. What else? Trade-ins. Go to the fifth. Andre didn't add any trade-in, but there could be a trade-in here. It's just a matter of reviewing the values if you need it. Basically, as the basics, that should be all. So imagine that you receive the machines, you have it there ready to be sent to the customer. The last button, from my point of view, should be going up, up, up. And you could be exactly open DCP.
Open DCP.
Yeah. But before you retail or pre-sold, you must select which machine you are planning to retail or pre-sold. But this is moving the information from CRM to DCP to finally sell the machines and communicate officially the retail of the machines. All right.
Okay.
Good. And last would be on the three dots. Top 3 dots. Please don't do that, but I would press complete order. So the equipments will be moved to the customer. The trade-in will be moved into my catalog. Available for sales, no. So I just need to make some modifications in prices or do anything I need. And when my used equipment manager is giving me the okay, I would switch it to yes. Then we get it, right?
After all these things, we complete the order. Yeah,
but don't do that here. Okay.
Good. After this is
exactly good. What possibilities we have for customer orders that to me make this area very interesting. Can you click please on sourcing on the bubble which is with a dot? Sourcing.
Let me find this one first.
Yeah.
Sourcing.
It includes a checkpoint list. We have been discussing many years ago with many dealers that were proposing us to add things onto the list, things that you normally review before delivering the machine. If the equipment has been sourced, so you can put yes or no. If the PDI instructions were provided, yes or no. You can read it a little bit. I'm going to give you 1 minute to read it, okay?
Service. And shadow service source parts.
In all of them, you have yes, no, or not applicable, okay? This is not mandatory. You could complete the order having everything in no, right? It's just in case you want to use it as a reference.
Complete request. Prepare documents for the confirmation signature. Card.
Okay. Good. There are even more in the delivery, or some more. Sorry. Some dealers were asking, yeah, I would like to have this tax paid. Yes, no. Scheduled delivery with the customer, final schedule or official scheduled delivery with the customer, the signature of the order from the customer. Did I deliver in DCP? Yes or no. Invoiced, trading, checked, yes or no. And finally, the follow-up is the 3 dates tasks that will be created right after completing the order for this salesman. Right? Good.
Yeah.
What could we do with this? We can check it one by one, customer order by customer order, or Yuri, what I'm going to ask you is to move back to customer order section. Please you can save it.
Save.
And move, yeah. And move back to on the left-hand side to customer order section. Again, so you see the full list, and you can create your own personal view. How I would do that? Well, can you switch again to all customer orders, please, from my customer order? All. Yeah, that one. Or that one. Yeah. So can you please add some columns, edit columns, top right, left?
Edit columns.
Edit columns, left, that one. Yeah. So plus add, and we are going to add some of those. So could you be, for instance, interested in to see if the power guard has been, for instance, power guard, just add it, power guard, maybe complete, yeah, ticket, please. Then the next one, remove, sorry, stop. Click on add more columns. Yeah, you can add more if you need it. So in the search, you can add there, for instance, scheduled service. Ticket, it's the last one. Yep. Maybe you can remove the S and the C and continue adding, I don't know, complete finance, for instance. Complete finance. And last, add another one, source parts. Source parts. Yeah, there we go. Close it. You could move them up or down if you need it. The schedule, the power guard, the source parts, blah, blah, blah. You can move them up or down, up to you. And finally, apply. And then save it. So if you, yeah, the LCO, click it on the title, please. The title, yeah, and save as a new view. Save as a new view. And you can put there, I don't know, CO, whatever name, change the name, LCO by your own, LCO Agrosem or whatever. I don't know, it's an example. Yeah, so save. And now from this view, you can easily see, okay, so I'm still pending to complete the finance in the 2nd, in the 5th, and in the 10th custom order. But on the other side, if you would move to the right, what else? I have completed the power guard in this and this, but not in that one, or the scheduled service for all of them, or source parts. I'm still pending to talk with the parts department about this or that topic. You know, so it's very helpful for you, but not just for you, but even for the salesman, that they know if all is in yes, I'm almost done. If there's some still pending things, they don't need to call you and say, hey, how is the finance of this quote I won last month? Just take a look here, please.
Yeah. Or if the tractor is ready or combined with spare parts.
Exactly.
Additional spare parts.
Good. So if you would move, please, Yuri, to the left dashboards. One of the things left on the left hand side menu.
Okay, on this
dashboards. One thing I still strong recommend is change the title, please. Sales admin delivery process. We're gonna move to the John Deere Wiz dashboard advanced, the second one, please. And then click on the ribbon set as default, as your default. Right, yeah, there we go. Here you can see, if you scroll down, can you minimize a little bit the zoom by the 3 dots? Moving to, yeah, there we go, perfect. Now it's perfect. So you see up. On the first boxes, you have assistant. Assistant means that you have activities to be done today, or tasks to be done or completed today, or appointments. You have the activities on the second box from your team, task, appointments to be done by your colleagues or by you, and the calendar. It's the same story than for Andri. I see that you have this day mode. If you would like to, by default, show week mode, is this the case, Yuri? Or
Week.
you prefer even month?
But a month, I guess it's more preferable.
Good. Yeah. So click on the top on the setting function, please. And we're going to do exactly what we did yesterday with Andri. Right. The settings, right in the black label.
Okay.
Yeah, settings. That one. And personalization settings. The fourth option, blue option. Yeah. From there, I see 50 records per page. I don't like it. I prefer 250. Yep. What else? The time zone is the GMT +0. Is this the case in Kiev? Or is GMT +2? I don't know. It's up. -1 or -2, right? Is your
-2, I see. Sorry. Somewhere here.
It's plus or minus? No, it's plus.
Maybe
it's
plus.
+2.
Yeah, sorry.
Yep. Yeah. Kiev, I can see there. Yeah,
Kiev.
Next one. Yeah, there we go. So what else? Currency. Normally, which is your preferred currency? Euros. Yuri?
Euro and dollars.
But
some tractors in dollars, some.
In the majority of the cases, which is the most used?
50-50.
Then one or the other, it doesn't matter.
Okay, for example.
Yeah, stop. Then activities, the third tab, up, third tab, yeah. Then day, you can change to month or week. That's what you prefer. Then formats, the fourth one, please.
Formats.
Remember Spanish. Again, for every user, guys, please ask them to adequate this, or you will see suddenly the month names in Spanish or the week names in Spanish. So yeah, you can put your own format. Okay, and that is all. Click OK. Perfect. Now you'll see Spanish, English names. You will see, yeah, a little bit better, right? Good. Why I was asking you, Yuri, to come back here to the dashboard. To me, it's super easy to navigate from here. You can scroll down, for instance. You can find your marketing list names. You can find all the active accounts, or change, please, from active accounts. On the blue, sorry, on the black title, click there. You can click, for instance, my active accounts, and just see your own active accounts. I see that you don't have any, no problem, but maybe you can change again to all. Yeah, and then use the 3 dots from that small box, 3 dots, to search any account you need, simply from here. Okay, for instance, Agrosem, then use the arrow right or enter, then tick it, and you access there. Just imagine that you have finished to edit this, blah, 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 you have finished the emails or whatever. Use the arrow back, then you move back to the dashboard. Next work you could do in CRM, for instance, is to review any opportunity. You can open the opportunities from there. Your opportunities or all open opportunities. Do you have your own opportunities here, Yuri? Have you created some opportunities?
Yes, but I can't.
So change from all open opportunities DV to my open opportunities, for instance. These are your open opportunities.
Yeah.
I can modify this just to show your own opportunities by default, right? Good. So you can access from there to the opportunity by pressing there, and make the changes you need, blah, 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 blah. Once you finish, arrow back, you go to the dashboard. But you see, you don't need on the left-hand side navigating through the different options. You have all you need here. Next thing would be active quotes. Scroll down. So I see that you don't have any quote, but probably Andre have some quotes there, right, Andre?
Yeah.
But you have some customer orders. So these are the 3 same customer orders we have seen before. From here, you see all the pending customer orders to still working on, or the ones that have been completed, or the ones that have been closed, or the ones, I don't know,
I can choose only my if I have.
Exactly.
It was
and access
yesterday.
Yep, open that, and you access to the same page we were some minutes ago.
Yeah.
So you save a lot of clicks if you learn to navigate through the dashboard. That to me is super easy first, and for the salesman, again, super easy as well.
Yeah.
Right? It's just the arrow back and work. We can adapt this dashboard. If you don't like some boxes, we can take them out. We can add more. We can change them. This is super flexible.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, we will work on it. So maybe you can start thinking this afternoon, which would be the ideal design for your dashboard, and we can work on it and prepare one for you.
Yeah, now we need extra monitor.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, you can show different pages in the same screen. You see opportunities, you see quotes in the same page, right? Of course, the dashboards could be different for an admin person than for a salesman, than for any other role in your organization.
Because we use all different options and process.
Yeah, right. Tomorrow we will see that in detail. Good. So let's go back to the customer order. I want to show you some additional nice functions we have. If you would open the first one. Yep. Just imagine that Andre calls you and say, oof, we need to change the tires.
Change the tires.
But the quote is closed. I can't. You could say, no problem. All you need to do is to reopen quote. Top. Reopen quote.
Reopen quote.
Yep. Perfect. Click it. Okay. Now you're moving all the stuff one step back. Now the ball is again on Andre's yard, so Andre can make his modifications. Can you share your screen again, Andre, please?
Yeah, sure.
An easy way of allocating or finding this new open quote is just stop. Can you open this customer order? The one that
Yeah.
click on related. Related is super useful because it shows additional areas not defined normally in the main screen. But from here you can see there customer order, there's no quotes, equipment connections, no opportunities, no quotes.
Maybe I need to refresh.
Please, but that's strange. That should be showing that to you from here.
Just a second, I will try to update.
In the past, it was showing you. Okay. Cancels. Yeah. Can you again, please, related, person related, please? Well, in fact, you have that opportunity there, but yeah, you can find, yeah, in the summary you have the opportunity name. Yeah, they're clicking there is an easy way of finding. Now you can find the quotes, existing quotes. You will find one more, the draft. So now the ball is on your yard. You can make your modifications, finally activate, win, and then send it back to Yuri.
Okay.
That's as simple as this. Super useful. Or maybe just imagine, Andre, that in this case, the customer says, ooh, I don't have enough money. Sorry, I didn't want it. And we haven't not ordered yet. So, okay, we can close the thing as no buy. The way to do that would be as simple as, how would you close the opportunity as lost?
Should I choose like a draft or?
Nope. To close the opportunity, you have in front of you.
So if I need to choose to close opportunity, I need to close quotations.
Nope.
No?
You win quotations, you lose the opportunity. You have in front of you the solution. Just look at the screen. How you close the opportunity. Bingo. Bingo. Yeah. If the customers finally say, no, I don't want it, you can say, okay, close, no buy, done.
Okay.
Okay. And this is all about the customer order process. I don't know if you want to review that again, or do you want to see another example?
We can.
Okay, maybe now you're my volunteer, Andre. Go back to customer orders. And let's see, in customer orders, we have, if I remember well, another 2 ones. Is there customer orders or from the dashboard? Remember that in the dashboard, you have all the sections you need. Good. Perfect. So down. Customer orders is on the right. Yeah. Down.
Yeah.
You have 2 more. Okay. Then open one of those. I guess that they're empty. There's no items, right? Can you click on the third tab? No items there.
No items.
You have not added anything.
Yep.
Would it make sense to reopen the quote and add something there? At least to have something to show in this example.
Maybe.
Reopen quote.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Reopen. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. So this is again creating another copy of the quote. And in that quote, we're going to include any product you may have. Andre. Okay, so my colleague is asking me to tell you that the migration information we did yesterday, it's taking a little bit more than expected. So around our 1 o'clock, so in 45 minutes, should be bringing more info, right?
Okay.
But after lunch, normally that should be there. Okay, good. Then now you have to go to the quotes. Now you have a new quote there. But yeah, from that opportunity.
Should I click here?
Yeah, for instance, yeah, open there. Open access the opportunity is in the middle of the screen. In the middle, yeah, that one. Access into quotes. Should be a new. No copy.
No.
Fuck. You've created maybe from light, right?
Sorry.
Click on create quote, please. because maybe you want it from light mode. Yeah. So we're missing.
Yeah.
Who wants that?
This is our
Sergey.
manager. Yeah, he opens it.
So you need to ask your team to stop winning opportunities before they learn to create quotes, or we can end it up in this mixture that someone are still on light, maybe winning the opportunities, but not creating the quotes, right?
Where is the information about when it was created? I mean, data.
Okay, yeah. When it was created, you go to the quote or to the opportunity.
To order, generally.
When it was created, what, the order or the
Yes, the
quote?
order.
Okay, okay. Go back to customer orders, the generic view. Left.
Okay.
Yeah, from there. Good. Created on, for instance, the 10th of July,
Yeah,
the first one. Yeah. Whoa, this is super old.
Yep.
That's strange why it's appearing here. Should not be there. Maybe modification date. No, it's the 11th of April. I don't know. Maybe you can reopen and close the opportunity. Is this real?
No, it was like a project opportunity. It was.
It's an opportunity. Okay, then.
Yes.
You can, as I said, open that and reopen quote, and that should be cancelled.
Okay, open that and reopen quote.
Reopen quote at the top. No, go back, please.
Okay.
There in the customer order, exactly, reopen quote. Okay. Problem is that there's no quote because they never create a quote. But I hope that this is reopening the opportunity. Let's take a look. In the meantime, is there any question in general?
We need to more practice about entering like master configuration and etc. to have some practical questions.
Can you read the red flag there?
Please enter schedule delivered.
Okay, objects reference. That's it to instance.
Requested schedule delivery.
Okay. Add the requested. Maybe today, it doesn't matter. It's just to avoid this, and then reopen that again. Save and reopen.
Save.
And reopen quote. Let's see if now it's reopening. Because there were some mandatory fields missing there. Andre, are you normally producing quotes from standard products? I mean, for instance, in Spain, it's very typical that we are selling through the year 20 times the same product for olive trees in the south is always the same configuration, always the standard configuration that we create what we call quote templates, right? Where we add the product is always the same. So it can be used by my salesman to sell exactly the same product. And they're saving many steps through the process because they don't need to create the full quote with all the lines, add the incentives, add the attachments, We are preparing a template ready to be sold. Is this the case there in Ukraine?
Yes, I got you. But like 80% of templates are common, like masters that are selling.
Yeah.
And 20% is unique, specific. Yeah. So before like CRM, we were prepared before next model year has been started. We prepared like a master commercial offer.
Yep.
And our sales manager can get it from OneDrive, for example, and send to customer. If they need some specific, we are making changes and making specific commercial offer.
Perfect. So let's practice with this. Can you paste? Can you copy that hyperlink and paste it in the chat? I will ask my colleagues to close it on behalf of you. Yep. Copy, paste it on the, and let's review the other customer order. I don't know if this is going to be the same. Paste it there. Yeah. All right. Let's see.
Reopen.
Yeah. Yep. It's going to be the same. So can you copy the link, the hyperlink?
Just a second, it's process.
It's the same. Can you copy
Yes.
the URL address? Yeah. Okay, I will copy and ask my colleagues to close on behalf of you.
It's not depends on the status, yeah?
Nope. There, for any reason, it's mixing light and advanced mode, and it's trying to close or reopen the quote, but the quote was not there.
Okay.
So it's they are, for any reason, in the limbo. Just to
Like logical conflict.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm asking my colleagues to close them behind the scenes, and you will not see there. Good.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, so we can take again a look on the only one we have, and see which would be, and review the process again, right? So open that. You normally should just take a look on active quotes.
Okay.
Because the cancel make no sense. The completed make no sense. They are completed. They will stay there just in case I need to check what happened 2 months ago, 2 years ago. But normally you should divide the customer orders between you and Yuri, and who else is ordering?
Me, Roman also.
Roman. Okay. We can prepare views for customer orders containing tractors or SPFHs, or so you can see just your customer orders.
Okay.
Instead of this is something we can build tomorrow, for instance.
Okay.
To help
great.
you to build your own view. Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Then again, in the main page, you see the account hyperlink, you see the email, you could get a letter of consent. You can first of all up in the ribbon, click on work on, is as Yuri is already there. The button doesn't appear. But if Yuri wouldn't be there, work on will allocate this customer order to you. Okay, good.
Okay.
Normally, yes, you can maybe see attachments or any other thing. Same that in public or internal comments. Nope. Public comments, internal comments.
Just a second. Yeah.
Yep. Or the quote attachments, top, bottom right corner, in case there are any. Yeah, so I'll go into internal comments. You see there if the person who created a quote add anything, but basically the process you need to follow is going to product line items, the third one. And from here, basically you need to take a look to the column says source, yes or no.
Just a second, source.
No, go. Yeah, that one, source, yes or no. And take a look to the nose. Nose means that these are configurations. These are not equipments collected from the product catalog. So you need to source them. You need to order them. You see the point?
Can you double check? Can you repeat, please, about after source?
So In sourced, you will find yes or
Yes.
no.
Yes.
Yes means that the person who in the quote was taking the equipment from the catalog, from the stock.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they are sourced. You don't need to do anything. This is stock
Okay.
machines. The
Okay.
nose means that they are not sourced. You need to order them.
Clear.
As far as you see on the first column, they come from the configurator. So which are the steps? One by one, you tick them. The left circle, and up. You click on the bottom is not visible because this is on read-only mode. But you will find there, I guess is order to JD. That's the bottom, right?
I have.
Oh, yeah,
button.
sorry. You have it. Yeah, click there, please. Not sure is that if as this is read-only, if this will work. Yeah, seems that it's working. Good. So then you access to the configuration prepared by your colleague, and then you confirm it. Don't do that. Send it to Mint. If you send it to Mint, it's creating the record in CRM as well.
Okay.
And where you can find the record in CRM in the customer order, go back.
Okay.
In the equipment, next one. Yeah. Then it will be appearing a new line here. So you copy the comma and paste it there. Manufacturer order number.
Okay.
Good. Once you finish with the second, you go to the third one. Product line items again, please.
Okay.
You tick it, order to JD, you send it to Mint, then it will be visible in equipments in the fourth tab. Copy the comma and paste it there.
Okay.
Good. Perfect.
Okay.
What else? Then, of course, you can use this sourcing, delivery, follow-up bubbles to start doing the internal things. You know, the sourcing, please. The bubbles of the timeline. Up.
See.
Yeah. You should continue. Yeah. Ticking there and reviewing the yes, no, not applicable. Tick. You fulfill everything. Right. And finally, yeah. Once everything is there, when everything is arriving in your outlet, is a matter of communicating the sales. You can do that from here by pressing one by one the PLIs or the equipments. I'm not sure if this is launched from product line items or from equipment. Let me check in my screen. If I have anything here that I can use. Sorry, yeah, ticket, DCP, retail. Yeah, there we go. So can you share my screen?
Yep, just a second. Yep.
So this is a good example. For instance, in my order, I sold all of these things, right? I'm just missing the power cards, but the others are yes. Right? Good. One was coming from the catalog, the other one was coming from GPC. Right? From the catalog, nothing to be done, nothing to be ordered. Right? From GPC, I order to JD, access to build and price, send it to Mint, and it will be visible here. I paste the manufacturer order number. Then to finish, ticket, open DCP and retail. Good?
Good.
Perfect. So all looks good. I'm in the happy path. All I need to do, finally delivering the machine when it was planned for scheduled delivery for tomorrow or for next Monday. Good. So next Monday, when I send the machines, I will ask you to complete the order. Why I ask you to wait till the very last minute? Because probably it happened to you that the customer break the deal. If you didn't wait till you send the machines.
Okay.
Have you ever seen that sending the machines, the customer don't want them? That's normally not really typical, right? Once they are receiving the machine, it's so strange that they finally say, no, I don't want them, right? The problem is that if we complete it, you cannot uncomplete it. You will have to ask us to undo all the things. Send the machines from the customer again to your catalog, send the trading to the customer, then reopen the opportunity. So it's a
long process.
Yeah, that's the reason why I ask normally to wait till the very last minute to complete the order.
Okay.
Right? Once you finish, you will have some customer orders, all customer orders. Activated or active. These are the ones I need to pay attention. The fulfill, I don't care. They are done. Cancel, I don't care. They were canceled. I just need to pay attention to active. Right? 23.
Okay.
You've probably a view here from active customer orders. If not, active customer orders. It's 23. Maybe I could add another one that would be including the responsibility. So responsible for, read up, apply, and I want to just take care of the ones I'm responsible for. So equals Almodovar Gonzalo, apply. There's no one, but if there would be any, I would just see my 5 customer orders.
Okay.
Right? Again, editing columns, source parts or equipment, PDI, maybe incentives requested. All the things I'm interested, I move them up. Source parts, equipment, PDI, and requested incentives. I create my own view. So I can track, maybe just removing these let's call it that way. Save it and remove the filter. Gonzalo Almodovar, I want to see all. I see the view with no, 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 yes, 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 no, 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 yes, or whatever, right? I can, for instance, that's another thing I didn't show you yet. Say change to current view. For instance, you asked me before, hey, can I make some modifications at the same time for these, and these? You select them, edit. Let me check if I can find things here. In the summary, no. Tradings, headers. Unfortunately not. For some fields I can, for instance, this header responsible, I'm gonna assign myself. Region 2, Gonzalo Almodovar. But I cannot, or this is a bit risky. You could open, from here, open in Excel online. Oh, yeah, but be careful. There's no undo. If you cheat it, you get it. Yes. Oops. Oh, sorry. See. Yes. Save. There's some changes here that will appear in a minute. Yep. Track progress. Let's see how many of them have been changed. Refresh. Be careful with this, please. Just row 6 can use this online mode, but you must know a little bit of Excel. You can overwrite rows in between. 6 processes. 6 success. Refresh. All right. Good. Questions before we finished?
No question.
Why is extremely important, Henry, to fulfill the customer orders? Which are the consequences if we do not complete customer orders?
It's a question.
Yeah. Why? We must complete it.
You mean finished?
Yeah. Why it's extremely important that once I deliver the machine,
order, yeah?
Yeah. Why completing orders is so important?
Not to be shown in our product range, like our equipment as not finished.
Yeah. So first, the product catalog will still be showing. It's true that the products
like it must
visible.
be logical way for each product from ordering to selling to delivering.
Yeah, but on top of it, if you would access to active products, you will see that once you start winning, there will be some active products available for sales. No, these are the ones in the customer order. This is still on your books, but not available for sales because you have won them. You see the point?
Okay.
So when you complete the order, they're out of this active product list. But if you do not complete the order, you will see how I do have some available for sales, no active products yet. All those belongs to customer orders. If I don't complete them, they will still remain on my active products view.
Okay.
The other consequence, think on the automatisms, the trade-ins. If you don't complete the order, the trade-ins are not being moved here in the active products, neither. Right? Some of these will be available for sales, no. Sorry, they're not here. They're not here. When I complete the order, they will be appearing here as available for sales now. For instance, that machine. So I should take a look, open that, then give prices. And once I finished, in the equipment associated, there's not a good example. In the equipment associated, giving the prices and available for sales, yes. Reviewing the prices here, purchase price, net price, price list price. And finally, this used equipment should be available for sales, yes. Then it's appearing in the active product list for all the people, knowing that I have collected this class machine, combine machine, and I need to get rid of it.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Good. Perfect. So yeah, this is at least something that 2 or 3 people should know how to work with it. But normally this is not needed for salesmen, of course, or any other thing, because they are not responsible for that part of the program. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question before we finish? No.
No.
Yeah. It's not funny. It's a bit tedious, this part of the process, but it's needed. Right?
Okay.
You are today working with Excel files. The idea is to stop Excels, start working here. Because you can always come back in 5 years. Hey, what happened with this customer order? How was the delivery? Was it good? Was it bad? Who did it? Why? The attachments, the documents. It's easy, very, very easy to find it, right? How to do that? Because you have from the accounts, there should be opportunity. Yeah, even from accounts, you can see related customer orders, the deliveries to that customer in the past. Open that, maybe they are or they are not. I don't know. Active or completed, fulfilled. I don't know if there's many or some. No. But all. In this case, there's no. But there could be some. So yeah, I can access from here to these customer orders prepared in the past. Okay. Let me check if in Abigail Ross I have some. Yeah, for instance, Abigail Ross. There's a customer order. I did that one. I don't know when. I access here and I can see how was the delivery.
Okay.
I
clear.
didn't get the LOC, for instance. That was my mistake. I didn't add myself as the responsible person. That's my main mistake. How was the sourcing? Hey, at least I fulfilled this PDI provided. Anything else? Nope, I didn't. Anything else? The delivery? No. I'm a bad admin. I didn't do that. The follow-up, it was just for one activity created for that salesman. It was delivered or planned for the 14th of July. Requested delivery date original was the 3rd of January. No comments. Oh yeah, some comments from sales. These were the product line items I sold. These are the equipments associated, blah, 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 blah. Okay. But everything is on the cloud server.
Okay.
In an Excel file that maybe you next year you will use another Excel file. Good. So that's all. I will send you the instructions as usual, send you the videos. And yeah, just my only task for today, please, is to that one. Yeah, keep on working with the stock migrated products after 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. My 1 p.m. It will be your 2 p.m.s, right? Pricing policies, keep on working on it. Like you said, headers. Oof, yeah. You need to think the missing pricing policies to be ready to be launched to the salesman. That is working, the build and price download, so you don't need to do anything. And one more thing was about views. Yeah, views and dashboards. Tomorrow we will review that just to start thinking on, hey, taking the chance that we're gonna do some examples tomorrow. Maybe we could do something that you already need, and we can do good examples, right? Just something that you could have in mind.
Okay.
Right. Good. So thank you very much, and
Thank you
yeah,
too.
have a nice lunch and nice afternoon. Cheers. Ciao, ciao.
You too. Ciao. Bye.
Ciao.
Thank you. Thank you a lot.